So I'm gonna try to do this all in one take. I'm laughing over the butthurt from South Carolina and North Carolina because apparently the federal court pretty much against their favors of their same-sex marriage ban, and they're starting to deny marriage license requests. So pretty much from USA Today, South Carolina County denies same-sex marriage license requests. From Greenville, three same-sex couples who did not apply for a marriage license Wednesday in Greenville County Probate Court were denied. The applications were made in the wake of U.S. Supreme Court refusal this week to consider six Court of Appeals decisions that found state bans on gay marriage unconstitutional. One of those decisions came in a ruling by the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals in a Virginia case. South Carolina is bound by the Fourth Circuit decision, said Aaron Saver, communications director for the Campaign for Southern Equality. Governor Nikki Haley and Attorney General uh, Alan Wilson had said they will continue to defend the ban. The Associated Press has also reported that one couple, one South Carolina court has already issued a marriage license to a same-sex couple. Charleston County Probate Judge Irvin Condon issued a license Wednesday to two women, Charleston County Councilwoman Colleen Condon and Nicholas Blackley. And we're going to scroll into North Carolina now. North Carolina Attorney General Roy Cooper also cleared the way for that decision, saying that a ruling in the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals is binding in North Carolina, and there is no remaining obstacles that would keep Reninger from overturning Amendment 1, the state's same-sex marriage ban. And North Carolina House Speaker Tom Tillis and Senate Leader Phil Berger, both Republicans, announced Monday they intend to formally intervene to defend North Carolina's constitutional amendment defining marriage as a union between one man and one woman. Their offices have not elaborated on what measure might be taken. In my personal opinion about this, grow the fuck up. Seriously. I don't understand this. I just don't. I just really don't. Because we have different religious views, we have different points of view in life. Why do we have to restrict the rights of another person? Because I understand if it was immoral, like killing someone, but the right to wed, the right to love someone, that's not immoral. Seriously. Oof, my bad. And anyone who thinks that's immoral, you need to go shove your religious beliefs or whatever up your fucking ass and shut the fuck up. Well, seriously, it's stupid. You need to grow the hell up. Because guess what? It's 2014, we have moved on. It was the same issue with interracial marriage. People said that we're going to start bestiality back then, and all this bullshit. It would be the end of the world. Guess what? Bestiality didn't fucking happen, and the end of the world didn't happen. And guess what? Gay marriage is happening, and the end of the world is not happening, and bestiality is not happening. So guess what? You're bullshitting again. Stop the fear mongering, cut the bullshit, and just let people have their rights for once. And besides, if you want to get into the constitutionality of it, the 9th and 14th Amendments. The 9th Amendment is the right to privacy, and you cannot deny a human's natural rights. That's pretty much what the 9th Amendment is, in a nutshell. Which pretty much means, which many courts have ruled, that the 9th Amendment applies to gay marriage. Pretty much the right to wed. That's pretty much like the abortion issue. That's their choice. They can do whatever. That is not your concern. That's their concern, and they can do it whatever the hell they want. And the 14th Amendment applies that Ninth Amendment down to the state level, so the state is violating their own state constitution, and they're discriminating against a group of people, and they are violating the supremacy clause as well. Not only in that matter, they're doing it in with denying the marriage bans now because they're going against a federal court. Supremacy clause, federal over state when it comes to certain matters. Even though you may have a ban on the book, federal trumps state. Get over it. Because seriously, some people around here need to learn to get over it. And seriously, some of you don't know politics. Especially to a bunch of you right-wing nuts. So seriously, if you're so about the Constitution and such, and you're so about defending the Constitution, how about you give it a read for once and read some court cases? And then you will understand why gay marriage is allowed constitutionality by the Constitution. Until then, grow up, you religious right-wing nuts.